have started the process of engaging and discussing with different stakeholders, including the Rangbashlongs and the religious leaders, senior citizens, organizations, and we have appealed for peace everywhere, and the response has been positive. So we are working more further to ensure that normalcy returns to Shillong city and to the state as a whole. At the same time, we have formed the Peace Committee, and that will be meeting tomorrow under the chairmanship of the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister. And at the same time, we are also had taken a decision in the morning. We had met with the Deputy CM and the Honorable Home Minister and myself, and Chief Secretary and myself, and we have decided that the curfew will be lifted tomorrow from 6 a.m. in the morning to 4 p.m. in the evening tomorrow in most of the parts of Shillong city. But we have left the detailed micro decision of locality wise if necessary to the Deputy Commissioner. So the Deputy Commissioner will be coming out with a detailed timing of the relaxation of the curfew in Shillong city. But in all likelihood it will be a general one from 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. But as I said, more micro details will be available with the Deputy Commissioner. Also, the internet services will be activated, have been again since the letter has gone. So for 24 hours it was extended, which means from 6 p.m. to tomorrow 6 p.m. So the internet services will be reactivated in Shillong, the mobile services from 6 p.m. onwards from tomorrow evening. The situation has calmed down a bit compared to what it was 24 or 48 hours before. And in the process, we have set up these committees, which is communicating and talking to different stakeholders, different headmen of localities and senior citizens and organizations, and trying to convey the message of peace to bring back normalcy in the city and in the state as a whole. And we're getting good response for it. At the same time, a judicial inquiry also has been constituted regarding the incident that took place on the 13th early morning. So therefore, these few steps have been taken, and as I said, in the last 24 hours, we have not seen any serious incident that has taken place or anything like that. So we're quite positive that normalcy will return. Tomorrow morning, we are easing the curfew. It will be eased tomorrow morning, approximately 5 or 6 in the morning. To exact timing is the DC will be issuing the orders. So about 5 or 6 in the morning to about 4 in the evening in Shillong city. And then based on the situation, we will further relax the curfew if necessary. And at the same time, the internet services also will be restored by tomorrow evening 6.